ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
So next we can do some problems based on graphs, how to solve the problems based on the graphs. See here, so your example page number 77, question number 42. 3 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas, 3 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes a cyclic process as shown in the diagram. The temperature of the gas in different states marked 1, 2, 3, 4 are 400, 700, 2500, 1100 Kelvin respectively. Work done by the gas during the process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1 is. So how can we calculate this? So that is the situation. So see here, so the graph is given as, so this is pressure and it is volume. The shape of the graphs are like this. The graph will be like this. So this is the shape of the graph here, cyclic process, and here like this. So this is the first process 1. So let us say it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So given that the temperatures at T1 is given as 400 Kelvin and T2 is given as 700 Kelvin and T3 is given as 2500 Kelvin and T4 is given as 1100 Kelvin. 1100 Kelvin. Now, what we have to calculate? Work done by the gas during the process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. 4 work dones we have to calculate. 4 work dones. 4 work dones means how can we calculate that? So let us say here the volume is V1 and here the volume is V2, volume is V3 and volume is V4. See here the process is 2 to 3, 4 to 1. The processes 2 to 3 and 4 to 1 are isobaric. 2 to 3, 4 to 1 are isobaric because see the shape of the graph, straight line parallel to x-axis. Straight line parallel to x-axis. That means pressure remains constant. In what process the pressure remains constant? In isobaric process remains constant. So work done in isobaric, work done 2 to 3 is equals to, work done formula is P dV. So pressure remains constant. Pressure into dV is here V3 minus V2. In the first case 2 to 3, how can you calculate the work done from 2 to 3? In 2 to 3, the work done formula is P dV. P into dV is V3 minus V2. But we know PV is equals to nRT. Then PdV can be written as nRdt. So that means nR into dt is T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So number of moles, how many number of moles it is? How many number of moles it is? 3 moles of an ideal gas. So 3R into T3 value is 2500 minus T2 is 700. So that is equals to 3R into 2500 minus 700. How much it is? 2500 minus 700, 1800. 1800 3s are 5400 R. That is W23. Next come to the point W41. W421. So this is also isobaric process. That is also NR into final minus initial. T1 minus T4. T1 here it is PdV in the sense P into final volume V1 minus V4. So but that can be written as NR into T1 minus T4. What is T1? N is 3 moles. R into T1 is 400 minus T4 is 1100. So that is 3R into 400 minus 1100 minus 700. That means work done is negative minus 2100 R. Minus 2100 R. So that is because 223 and 421 are isobaric processes. Isobaric process means we know dq is equals to du plus dw. Whatever is the heat supplied to the system is utilized to increase certain part of energy, to increase its internal energy and to do the external work done. That external work done formula is PdV. PdV means according to ideal gas equation we know PdV equals to nRT, then PdV is equals to nRdt. PdV is equals to nRdt. That is the concept now. Next, what about 122, 324? Here 122 and 224. Actually, these are the shape of the graphs. So this shape of the graph passing through origin. See here, the shape of the graph passes through origin. Shape of the graph passes through origin. Shape of the graph passes through origin in the sense, what is the meaning of this? What is the graph here? Pressure and volume. For pressure and volume graph, so see here, this is the pressure and volume graph, straight line passes through origin. But what we know, in case of pressure and volume graph, we know that this is the graph. This is the graph in case of PV graph, isothermal process. But here the given that PV graph is like this. So that's why we don't know whatever it is. That's why this is considered as polytropic process. Actually, we don't know what is the shape of the graph. We don't know that. So that's why this is considered as polytropic process. In case of polytropic process, so 122, 224 are polytropic processes. Polytropic processes. Actually, polytropic process means PV power n is equals to constant. So that is the condition. In case of polytropic process, generally PV power n is equals to constant. But here this straight line passes through origin. That means P proportional to V. So that means P by V is equals to constant. So PV power minus 1 is constant. So n is equals to minus 1. PV power n is equals to constant, where n is not the number of moles, remember that. So let us say for our convenience some x, let us say it is x or y, whatever it is, because if you get confusion about this, PV equals where n is the number of moles here, but it is not number of moles, it is just power. So that is x value here, it is equals to 1. Then whatever is the work, what is the work done in polytropic process formula is nR by x minus 1 into T1 minus T2 or T2 minus T1. That is the situation. nR into x minus 1 into T1 minus T2, T1 minus T2 by x minus 1. So this is the situation. Next, First, this is the formula for work done in polytropic process. Now, first W12 nR by x minus 1 into T1 minus T2. So, n is number of moles 3, R divided by minus 1 minus 1. T1 is how much? 400. T2 is 700. So, 3 minus 3 R by 2 into 300 minus 300. So, it is 900 by 2 R. Because minus 1 minus, because x value what is we got? Minus 1. So, that is why for T1 is 400, T2 is okay, T2 is 700. So, that is next W34. So, that is equals to nR into again x minus 1 into T3 minus T4. Here T1 minus T2, initial minus final. Here also initial minus final. So, n is equals to 3R divided by minus 1 into, what is T3 here? T3 is 2500 minus T4 is 1100. So, minus 3R by 2 into 1400. 2 7s are minus 2100 R. 2 7 7 3s are. So, that is the total work done. Therefore, total work done is equals to W12 plus W23 plus W34 plus W41. So, W12 how much it is? 900 R by 2. Next W23 5400 R. W34 minus 2100 R. W41 how much? Minus again 2100 R. So, that is equals to 2121 42. 5400 minus 4200 1200. So, 900 R divided by 2 plus 1200. 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 33. So, 3300 by 2 R. So, 113 6 1650 R. External work done is, that is 1650 R. So, that is the way to do the problem based on this. So, mainly in mains point of NEET point of view, they do not give this much of big soluting problems, but in mains point of view they may ask like that. This total problem you have to be completed in 2 or 3 minutes in mains also. 25 questions 1 hour. 25 questions 1 hour, 2 and maximum 2 minutes something, 2.1 minute, 2.2 minutes per problem. So, that means in the time of 2 minutes you have to complete all this, but we have for our discussion only it takes approximately 20 to 15 minutes for discussion, but while you people must do these problems in just 2 minutes. So, this is the problem. Next, so if you practice these type of problems, then it's very easy to do this. So, mainly thing is this much: what is that process and what will the work done, that's only we have to know. So, this one and this one, these are the straight lines parallel to x axis, that means pressure constant. So, that is called isobaric. To do this explanation only this take time. If you do the same, if you do individually, so it takes very less time, no problem. So, next let us do one more problem. So, same example 43 here. So, example 43 in the same page, example number 43. Same 3 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas performs A, B, C, D, A cyclic process as shown in the diagram. The gas temperatures are TA, TB, TC, TD. The work done by the gas is see here, this is the shape of the graph given. So P, the graph between pressure and temperature. So graph between pressure and temperature, we have to draw the graph like this one. Like this. This is the shape of the graph. This is A and it is B, C, D. So here the previous graph is between pressure and volume. Now it is the graph between pressure and temperature. The pressure and temperature. So here 3 moles of an ideal diode, N is equals to 3. Monoatomic gas, ideal monoatomic gas. So now temperatures, let us say temperature at A is given as 400 Kelvin again, temperature at B is 800 Kelvin, temperature at C is equals to 2400 Kelvin and temperature at D is equals to 1200 Kelvin. So what is the work done by the gas is approximately, that's we have to calculate. Now see the shape of the graph, A to B, C to D. First we can discuss about A to B and C to D. Straight line passing through origin. So that means the pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So the graph between A to B and C to D is A to B, C to D. The shape of the graph is straight line passing through origin. The straight line passing through origin. So that means pressure is directly proportional to temperature here. When the pressure is directly proportional to temperature, if volume remains constant, if volume of the system remains constant, then only it remains, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. See here, straight line passing through origin, pressure, temperature. So that is pressure is directly proportional to, when this condition happens means volume remains constant. If volume of the system remains constant, what happens to work done? So simply it is work done is 0. Isochoric process, remember that isochoric process, volume remains constant, that means work done must be 0. So that means work done in case of AB, work done in case of CD is equals to 0. No doubt about that. Work done in case of AB and work done in case of CD must be equal to 0. Next, come to the process B to C and D to A. So work done in BC, B to C. What is the shape of the graph? Is straight line parallel to x-axis. The shape of the graph is straight line parallel to x-axis. Straight line parallel to temperature axis. That means here the pressure remains constant. See here the pressure remains constant. When in what situation the pressure remains constant? In what situation the pressure remains constant? Isobaric process. In isobaric process, work done formula is PdV. So the pressure into dV is nothing but Vc minus Vb. Vc minus Vb. But we know PV is the same in the previous problem. So PdV is equals to nRT. So therefore WBC is equals to nR into dt in the sense Tc minus Tb. Tc minus Tb. So n is number of moles are given as 3 into R Tc value, temperature at C 2400 minus temperature at B, temperature at B 800 Kelvin. So that is equals to 3R into 1600. So that is 4800 R. So that is work done in BC. Next, work in between D to A, again P into VA minus VD, final volume minus initial volume. So this can be written as NR into TA minus TD, TA minus TD. So that is N is 3 into R. TA is, temperature at A is 400, temperature at D is 1200. So 3R into minus 800. So that is minus 2400 R. So therefore total work done. So total work done is equals to, these two are zeros, no need to represent that. So work done in BC plus work done in DA. Work done in BC 4800 R minus 2400 R. So that is 2400 R. 4800 minus 2400. So that is 2400. So 2400 into R is, let us say, approximately 8. Actually it is 8.314. Let us say 8. Simple calculation. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16, 19. So let us say it is simply 19.2 kilojoule. Work done is, what is the option? It is approximately 20. So approximate answer we can get. If you do this 8.314 into 2400, the calculation it takes time. So simple explain. If the in the given options, if the options are very close to each other, then you can consider 8.314 and multiply. If the options are very far away, then directly simply we can consider 8 and calculate that. It is now, here we got 19.2 kilojoule. So the option is 20 kilojoule. So this is the nearest option, please. Next. Next, to do one more problem and based on graphs. Efficiencies. After completion of that, you can calculate efficiency. See the page number 81, question number 47. 81, question number 47. Example number 47. Efficiency of the thermodynamics shown in the diagram. So before going to efficiency, let efficiency. So after completion of this, after completion of heat engine and refrigerator, you can do this. So graphs here. So page number 82, example number 53, let us say. 82, example number 53. In an ideal monoatomic gas undergoes a cyclic process A, B, C, A as shown in the diagram. The ratio of the heat absorbed during AB to the work done on the gas during BC So given that ideal monoatomic gas, that is the given condition. So graph is given between volume and temperature. So this is volume and this is temperature. The shape of the graph will be like this. This is the shape of the graph. So this is the point A to B, B to C, C to A. So here it is given that it is T naught and it is 2 T naught and it is V naught and it is 2 V naught. Ideal monoatomic gas undergoes a cyclic process as shown. The ratio of the heat absorbed during AB to the work done on the gas during BC, that's we have to calculate. AB process, AB. So here A to B. A to, what is the shape of the graph? Straight line passing through origin. Straight line passing through origin. So that is the concept, it is straight line passes through origin. Now this is the volume temperature graph, that means volume is directly proportional to temperature. When this situation happens, if the pressure remains constant, A to B graph is the straight line passing through origin, that is volume directly proportional to temperature, that means pressure remains constant. If the pressure remains constant, that is called isobaric process. That process is isobaric process. In isobaric process, amount of heat supplied to the system, that can be written as NCP dt. Heat supplied to the system can be written as NCP dt. So what is the number of moles here? An ideal monoatomic gas, an ideal, that means number of moles is 1. Cp for monoatomic gas is 5 by 2 R, that means T2 minus T1, or that means final temperature minus initial temperature. So that is 5 by 2 R into 2 T naught minus T naught. So 5 by 2 R T naught. So that is dQ, heat supplied to the system or heat absorbed by the system from A to B, 5 by 2 R T naught. Next, what we have to calculate? The ratio of heat absorbed during AB to the work done on the gas during BC. Work done on the gas during BC, that is B to C. B to C. B to C, what is the quantity remains constant? Temperature remains constant. B to C, temperature remains constant. In what condition the temperature remains constant? Isothermal process. In isothermal process, the temperature of the system remains constant. In isothermal process, temperature of the system remains constant. What is the work done in isothermal process? 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. Final volume minus initial volume. So 2.303, N is 1, R temperature is here 2 T naught log. So this is V1 and it is considered as V2. Because here the gas moving from that means the process takes from B to C. The process takes from B to C. That means at the point B is the initial point and point C is the final point. So point B is V2 is considered as V naught by 2T to V naught. That means volume at C divided by volume at B. That means final volume divided by initial volume. So that is equals to 2.303 R. So 2 T naught R log 1 by 2. Log 1 by 2 can be written as minus log 2. Log 1 by 2 is minus log 2. So minus 2 is 4.606 R T naught log 2. So therefore ratio dQ by W can be written as 5 by 2 R T naught divided by, this is work done on the system, that's why it is negative. Let us consider magnitude 4.606 R T naught log 2. R T naught cancel. So 5 by 12 9 log 2. 5 by 9.212 log 2. 4 log 2. So here A0 2.303 in the sense here log 10 it is. Log 2 value also we can substitute 0.3010. Next to do one more example 54 similar 55 directly we have to find out the area. So see the question number 57 here. Example number 57. The pressure versus temperature of the graph of an ideal gas as shown in the diagram. The density of the gas at A is rho naught and the density at B is. So pressure, temperature. So this is the shape of the graph given. So here this is given as P naught and this is 3 P naught and this is T naught and this is 2 T naught. So this is the graph. This is between pressure and temperature. So density at point A is given as, this is A and this is B. Density at A is given as rho naught. Now we have to find out the density at B. We must find out the density at B. So we know from ideal gas equation PV is equals to nRT. P volume can be written as mass by density. So nRT Pm by nRT is equals to rho. Pm by nRT. Volume can be written as mass by density. That's why Pm by nRT is equals to rho. So here what are the variables here? Pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature. Mass remains constant, number of moles constant, R also constant. So that means we can write rho proportional to P by T. Rho at the point A divided by rho at the point B is equals to pressure at the point A divided by pressure at the point B and temperature at the point B divided by temperature at the point A, because temperature is inversely proportional here. So here P by T proportional to rho it is. P by T proportional to rho. So that means M constant, N constant, R also constant. So rho A is given as density, rho B is equals to pressure at the point A, P naught. Pressure at the point B, 3 P naught. Temperature at the point B, 2 T naught. Temperature at the point A. So rho naught by rho B is equals to 2 by 3. Density at the point B is equals to 3 by 2 rho naught. Density at the point B is equals to 3 by 2 rho naught. This is the shape of the graph. Based on this we can calculate like this, just based on ideal gas equation. Volume can be written as mass by density, like that.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.